In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify desktop something went wrong. If Spotify keeps showing the something went wrong message on your desktop, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a temporary app glitch, a connection problem, cached files, or an outdated installation. We'll go through the fixes in a simple order, starting with the quickest solution and ending with the final reset option if nothing else works. First, restart Spotify completely. Close Spotify by clicking the X, but keep in mind that sometimes the app still runs in the background even after the window closes. To make sure it fully shuts down, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the list of running apps, find Spotify, click on it, and choose End Task. After that, reopen Spotify and check if the error is gone. If that didn't fix it, check your internet connection. Open your browser and try loading any website. If pages are slow to load or not loading at all, the issue may not be Spotify itself. Restart your Wi-Fi or router, reconnect your device to the internet, and then try opening Spotify again. A weak or unstable connection can trigger this error. Next, log out and log back in. Open Spotify, click your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Log Out. Then close Spotify completely, open it again, and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can help if the app is stuck using outdated account data. Another useful fix is clearing Spotify's cache on Windows. Press Windows and R to open the run box, type %appdata% and press enter. Open the Spotify folder, then delete the folder named cache. Cache files help apps load faster, but if they become corrupted, they can cause errors like this. Restart Spotify after deleting the cache. You should also check for updates. Open Spotify, click your profile icon, go to Help, and then About Spotify. If an update starts, let it finish completely, then restart the app. Running an older version can sometimes create compatibility problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily and restart Spotify. VPNs can interfere with app connections, especially if Spotify has trouble verifying your location or network. If the error still appears, reinstall Spotify as the final fix. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Spotify, and uninstall it. After that, download it again from the official Spotify download page, install it, and log in. If the problem keeps coming back, the most common causes are unstable internet, a blocked connection, or a corrupted desktop cache or app installation. And if Spotify works on your phone but not on your desktop, that's a strong sign the desktop app itself is the issue.